Hello beauties, you're welcome back to Kachi's kitchen. So guys, today we'll be making cabbage sauce. Okay, first thing you will do is to place our chicken in a pot, season it with curry powder, season it with thyme, rosemary, white pepper, onions, ginger paste, garlic paste, and a cup of water to cook the chicken. Once chicken is almost done, transfer to the oven to grill. Return it back to the broth when done. Add 5 cups of water, scotch bonnet, carrot, green and red bell peppers, and cabbage. Cook for another 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, add half cup of corn flour and half cup of chicken stock. Mix it together to form a paste. Transfer the paste back to the pot with chicken and wait till it thickens. Okay, cook it for another 2 minutes. If you need the sauce to be thicker, add more corn flour or add more water to make it loose. Okay, test for seasoning and add more if necessary, and then let it simmer and your cabbage sauce is ready. Ooh,